Hi, this is Barry here, and you're very welcome to the final day of the 5 days to reignite your belief. Now, today on day 5, I want to talk about something that sometimes stops some of us from taking action. And that is the fact that if we've left it this late to build a business, to write the book, to do whatever we want to do, well, maybe it's too late, and maybe we just shouldn't take action. But what I'd say to you, it's better to take action too late than not take action at all. Because like I've said many times, our life is like a book, and you don't want to leave the later part of your book with blank pages where you didn't take any action. The later part of your book, of your life, could be the most exciting bit, where you just turn everything around, where all of a sudden you became this author overnight, you became this kind of online business builder, you suddenly have a huge following on social media or a huge popular podcast or whatever. You can make the end of your story as exciting as you want to. So, okay, now you might have gone through certain parts of your life where you just didn't do anything. You didn't write the book. But that quiet season that you've had is still part of your story. And sometimes we need to go through those quiet parts of our lives to kind of simmer, to kind of think about things and realize what's important to us. And what I'd say to you as well too is that sometimes when we are doing things, we feel like we need to get it right. We need to write the perfect book. We need to make the perfect videos. We need to have the perfect YouTube channel. But what I'd say to you is, and a great way to kind of tweak your mindset that will take a lot of pressure off you, is to consider that what you're doing now is just a body of work. You're not only building a business, but you're going to leave a little bit of a legacy behind you. You're going to leave an example to other people. Other people are going to look at you and say, wow, I can't believe that when they reached 50, their life just took off. They made a huge transformation. And if they can do it, I can do it. So we're not only kind of building businesses or whatever it is, the activity we're doing, we're also leaving a body of work behind us that's going to be a shining example to other people. And sometimes for some of us, our reignition sometimes takes us a while to get started. Sometimes it's like you might read a book a few times and then all of a sudden you read it one day and you say to yourself, where did that line come into it? I don't remember that being there. And it's not that the book actually changed. It's that we, the reader, actually changed. And then we saw something different in the book, which made us think differently. And sometimes we need to kind of be told the same thing again and again, that we can take action, that we can write the books, that we can do that. And then all of a sudden, suddenly it just clicks into gear. It's like when I was working a night shift, I used to hear Kevin Smith saying so many times, you can do what I can do. I'm just sitting down with this podcast, I'm just recording with a couple of friends, and if I can do it, you can do it. And I had heard him say that so many times, I lost count how many times he said that. But for some reason one night it just kind of clicked with me. And I realised and said to myself, well, if he can do it, then why can't I? Why can't I give it a go? And that kind of helped me on my journey of writing the books and everything I do right now, was just saying, why can't I? So even though you might be a late bloomer, even though it might take you a while to get started, that doesn't mean that you haven't got a great adventure ahead of you. It doesn't mean you can't do great things. So I would rather that someone actually takes action later on in their life than never taking action at all. That you actually take the best part of you to the grave. And I don't want you to do that. I want you to have a really great later part of your life story where people are just going to be blown away and they're going to look at that book and say, you know something? I didn't think at the start of this book that person was going to have that life at the end. So be kind to yourself, like I've said in a previous video. Go easy on yourself. Sometimes it takes us a while for all the kind of pieces of the jigsaw to fit together before we can actually realize what we should be doing. And instead of kind of putting a lot of pressure on you to get everything perfect, just build a body of work. Try out different things. Write books, make videos, build products, do coaching, whatever it is. But do lots of different things. And hopefully by the end of day 5, hopefully maybe I have made you believe a little bit in yourself. I've tried, but hopefully maybe this video series could be the thing that maybe could light that spark under you and get you to take action. Now if it has lit a spark under you, I'd like you to continue walking with me. And we're going to build this together. We're going to change our life, and we're going to change the lives of our families and those around us. And we're also going to change lives in our communities and people's lives all over the world. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.